about service. For us, it's really about ensuring that all of the promises that were given to Lagosians were not distracted, we keep to it, and this has further given us, an opportunity to double up, and to ensure that we can continue to give the real dividends of democracy. So, gentlemen, the day is far done. Is to thank all of you for staying this late to listen and to have followed all of the proceedings that was happening at the tribunal, and to say that the victory is for everyone, it's for all of us. It was a tough, long election that we held, but we're thankful that at the end of the day, the voices and the voice of Lagosians have been heard and have been upheld in this particular case. So, thank you all very much, and I just want to wish you all a journey back to your respective home.